Hello learners, today in this video we are going to learn 8th standard science chapter number 6 composition of matter. We have learned about various states of matter and characteristics of states of matter. Before we get started, let's take a look at the agenda. In this session, the first module is mixture, where we will acquaint ourselves with different types of mixture, followed by the next module solution, where we will get familiarized with terms like solute, solvent and solution. In this session, we will get familiar with vocabulary words like homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture, solute, solvent and solution. Let's begin with our first module, that is mixture. Mixture is a substance made by mixing other substances together. In chemistry, when two or more substances mix with each other without participating in a chemical change, the resulting substance is called a mixture. The result formed due to the combination of substances does not lose its individuality, nor are they combined chemically. Let's see general properties of mixture. Mixture are made up of two or more substances that are not chemically combined with each other. The properties of mixture are listed below. The components of a mixture each keep their original properties. The separation of components can be easily done. The proportion of the components is variable. Examples of mixture are crude oil. It is a mixture of organic compounds, mainly hydrocarbons. Seawater. It is a mixture of various salts and water. Air is a mixture of various gases like oxygen, nitrogen, noble gases, carbon dioxide and water vapor, etc. Let's begin with our next module, that is types of mixture. There are two types of mixtures. One is heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. The types of mixture are discussed below. What is a heterogeneous mixture? Heterogeneous mixture possesses different properties and compositions in various parts. That is, the properties are not uniform throughout the mixture. Examples of heterogeneous mixture are mixture of oil and water, sawdust and water, etc. To get clarify the concept of heterogeneous mixture, we will perform a small activity. For that, you will need things like oil and glass filled with water. What do we observe? When we mix oil in water, mixture of oil and water solution is formed, and all the components of a mixture formed are distributed into two phases, that is in water and oil. That is, when All the components of mixture form are distributed into two phases or more phases. It is called a heterogeneous mixture. What is a homogeneous mixture? Sugar mixed with water is the common example of a homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixtures can be defined as the mixture which possesses the same properties and combination throughout their mass. Examples of homogeneous mixtures are alloys, mixture of salt and water, alcohol in water, etc. Sugar mixed with water is the most common example of homogeneous mixture. To get clarified the concept of homogeneous mixture, we will perform one small activity. For that, you will need things like salt and glass filled with water. What do we observe? When we mix salt in water, mixture of salt solution is formed and all the components of a mixture form one phase. That is, when all the components of a mixture form one phase, it is called as homogeneous mixture. Now let's begin with our next module, that is solution. First, we will get acquainted with three terms like solute, solvent and solution, that components of which is present in large proportion is called solvent. The components which are in less proportion than the solvent are called solutes, and a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called solution. Examples are a solution of sugar, salt and lemon juice in water is the most common example of a solution. To understand about solution, we will again perform a one small activity. Things needed are water, salt, sugar and lemon juice. After mixing all these things, we get sarbat as a solution. In sarbat solution, sugar, salt and lemon juice are solute and water acts as a solvent, and sarbat, whatever we get after mixing sugar, salt and lemon juice, acts as a solution. In addition to this, the solution can also be of the types liquid in liquid. For example, vinegar, dilute sulfuric acid and carbonated orange juice. Gas in gas. Example is air. Solid in solid. For example, alloys like brass, steel. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc, where bronze alloy traditionally composed of copper and tin. gas in liquid. Example is hydrochloric acid and chlorinated water. So let's summarize what we have learned in this session. At the end of the session, students are able to define mixture and able to describe different types of mixture by performing small activities. Pupils are able to identify solute, solvent by observing activity. Thank you.